10 lines about animals. Animals are very important part of our environment. Animals are living things. They are very useful for us. There are different kinds of animals live on earth. They live on land and in the water. Some animals are domestic animals and some are wild animals. Some animals are small in size and some are very big. Different animals have different voice. They give us milk, egg, meat, wool, etc. They live, breathe, eat like human beings. Some animals are tiger, lion, elephant, dog, cow, zebra, giraffe, etc.